All right, so I was correct. That entrance to the exhibit hall where I filmed earlier, where everything was in purple, that is going to be the new main entrance here. Last year, the main entrance was off on the side there, but this is going to be the new main entrance for this year. And so I'm going to spin the camera around and we'll look down the main aisle here of the exhibit hall, and you'll see a lot of names that you recognize and some things that you don't. Remember, this is all still in preparation, so let's take a look. So right here off to the left, this looks like this is going to be the special exhibit area. So when you first come in the door, you hit the special exhibit. As I said, purple is the theme, and that's all going to be in there. Facing you right here is Fine Art Minerals. That's Ghulam Mustafa out of Pakistan, so looking forward to seeing him. And then right off to the right there, of course, our friends from Collector's Edge. So we're going to continue going down the main aisle here, and you can see just a buzz of activity as everyone is getting set up. Again, very, very professional level booths here. They're really doing it great. I don't know if we saw these guys last year. Cosmic Whisper, Meteorite, Songati, but we'll check them out. We generally don't cover meteorites, but we'll see. This looks like a very nice place here. Dake Minerals. How do you say that in Chinese? Dake. Kongwu. Kongwu is minerals?
Yes, Dake.
See? Learning the language here. Dake. Kongwu. And here you have mineralcrystal.com. All right. It's got the beautiful cases there that we normally see at the kind of the European and the American shows. Looking for kind of some familiar. Oh, it looks like we might have, I don't know if this is for the kids or if this is just kind of dinosaur fossils thing. You may remember that last year, where this year's entrance is going to be, that's where they had the big brontosaurus skeleton. So all of that area was the paleontology area. So they might have kind of moved it a little bit down here. This is, so this is a company that's playing on the purple theme. We see a lot of amethyst there in the display cases and everything. KS Art, we saw them last year. That was really cool. Angxi Culture, I think we covered them last year. We'll cover them again this year. Wonderland. I wonder what that's going to be. Again, more of the purple theme. We'll see how that plays out tomorrow when everybody's open. There's the Arkenstone in all purple, right on. So it's really neat how a lot of these companies have really kind of played off the color theme for the year. Pinshi Huan. Did I say that right? Pinshi Huan?
Oh, yeah.
Ah, Lena's surprised at me. I love that. Okay. That's actually a very nice... it looks like it's a smaller booth than it was last year, but very beautiful things. Ooh, we're going to check out those fluorite lanterns a little bit later. Long Yin art jewelry. Oh, that looks like some pretty nice. It's a beautiful opal ring with pavé diamonds all around it. Wow, they have some really nice jewelry there. And then might be able to barely see some of the jade that's on the backlit screen that is currently off. And then as we go down here, we're getting deep into the Chinese dealers. And a lot of them have the curtains up, so I don't know if they're finished setting up. And they're just kind of protecting what they have. Of course, everything is going to be open tomorrow. Show begins, I believe, at 10 o'clock. and we will be covering what's happening over in the kind of the presentation hall. Collector's exhibition zone. And then, wow, this is something big here. Oh, these might be the people that were down at that entrance last year that had all of the cases of quartz and carvings. It kind of seems like this is the place. And I remember last year down at the back hall here was the children's area, so we'll have to see if that's mimicked this year. We have petrified wood here. Goldstein Creations. There's Mr. Peng right there. Beautiful, beautiful exhibit. And we've got a lot of the ammonites there. All right. Things are slowly coming together. No, so the kid area is not down here this year. So no doubt we'll find them somewhere. Oh, it's a beautiful exhibit here. It looks like it's all, what is it, all different kinds of jade in there. That'll be lovely to check out. All right, and then we're going to kind of hop over this way and see what's down here. And, you know, we might end up doing this exact same kind of walkthrough once everything is set up, just so that you have a before and an after. I personally like the before and afters. I hope you do too. Okay, so this is probably not the nicest walkway area, but if you remember last year, there was kind of an area that I kind of called, I believe I called it the Warrens, the rabbit warrens of the Nanjing Show. And it's where you had all of the kind of the local companies, the local dealers exhibiting stuff. And so it kind of feels like we might have reached that area here. Here's some really nice, beautiful jade carvings, very delicate, and beautiful cases, wonderful cases. And kind of gives us an overall view of everything that's going on. Big amethyst geodes, wooden base. And yeah, you probably will have me talking about wooden bases again. If that offends you, I do apologize, but I do find it fascinating to see the difference in the way things are exhibited in China versus in America and Europe. And this actually looks like it's a meteorite on a wooden base, and that's something that I really haven't seen before, so that's pretty cool. There's some wooden bases getting ready for exhibit. All kinds of wood bracelets, stone bracelets. Yeah, I kind of like this. Ooh, let's take a look down here. We got more purple and a whole bunch of smaller dealers. Oh, I love this. Look at it. Look at all this wood here. It's fabulous. Oh, I love these. All right, we'll take a deeper look tomorrow or the next day. I'm not sure what this whole area is, but it is certainly color branded. And we're going to have Alina come up and tell us what this sign here says.
The activity area.
Activity area. Okay, so this maybe is where all the kids are going to be kind of hanging out and doing things. So it's moved from the back of the exhibit or expo hall right to the front here. Now here is the testing center for gold and jewelry of Chiang Province and Min ID. If I'm not mistaken, that is formerly part of Mindat. So nobody's in here right now, but that might be what it is. We'll check it out later. But back to the rabbit warrens here. All kinds of little things. Great little quartz crystals there. Stuff that hasn't even been put on exhibits yet. This is going to be, I'll tell you, just the energy and the excitement of the show already. I just know it's going to be a terrific show. And I'm going to have a really good time covering all the stuff that's going on here. I wonder if our friends from last year with the volcanic cups are going to be here. They would be fun to see. You may remember those are, I think they were dacite cups. And last year they were kind of in this section. So I'm wandering around here hoping I run into them again, because those cups are really cool. Festive. It's the festive booth. Hello. How are you? Good. All right. So again, that is the main aisle there. The lovely bathrooms. You'll remember that clip from last year, I'm sure. And these are kind of the warrens on the side. And I kind of love this area just because it's so many weird and different things back here. Certainly not, you never know. You'd have to look at all these cases to see if you're going to find some sleeper mineral specimen somewhere. But all kinds of really interesting things here. So I think that's going to do it with our initial walkthrough of the 2025 CIMGE Nanjing Show. And we're going to snap some photos and then get out of here and come on back when the show is running tomorrow. That's it for now.